Hey, welcome back to Fix It Up. Today, I'm just going to show you a little trick. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see this, but there's all this stickiness left over from duct tape because somebody had duct taped this on. I'm going to try to focus in on it for you to see. See all the glue that is everywhere on this thing? Well, I'm going to show you a trick to get rid of it. WD-40. Just spray the heck out of it. Take your rag, let it sit for a moment. Just start working it with your rag. Now I'm going to show you up close what it's doing. I'm going to start with this big clump right here. This one will take a couple of coats, a couple of tries to get it loose, but you see it's already coming off. And if you look at this little beads that are left on there, they're coming off. It takes a little bit of work, not a lot, but it's better than the de-sticky stuff that you get in the cans. So that's it. Hey, and remember, if you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Tune in next time.